Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D Star TV News Time. Yes, the southeastern governors, the news they tell us say they don't establish a new security outfit, what they call Ebube Ago. Ebube Ago, na they call their, na they name the outfit where they say they don't establish. Una know now, all of us know the reason why they establish all this one they establish. All and the name say they won't counter the IPOB Eastern Security Network. Remember, say Wiki don't establish his own. And now the Eastern governors, led by Dave Umahi, they don't come and say they don't form their own. You know, not be about forming the security outfit, but the problem. To form it, not be problem. You know, the problem now how to form it and whether they will be successful, the formation, whether the security will continue to last long, or whether they will really operate as a real and a true security outfit. By him matter, the funding of that, the funding of the security network is the problem, because we know say these people, all of them are corrupt politicians. Again, another thing when I want point hand regarding this their Ebube Ago security outfits. Now say we not see the security outfit, we not see their pictures, we not see, you know, when Wiki established his own, according to him, he showed us some pictures, and today we don't know whether that Wiki they function or you know they function, because we know they hear about Wiki security, new security outfit in operating in River State. We never hear them say that they operate. The only security outfit where we hear say that they operate in Nigeria right now, when they function, na Eastern Security Network, established by the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and Amotekun, established by the governors of southwestern part of Nigeria. Now, when they form their own, then they display. When they form Amotekun displayed their own. When Nnamdi Kanu formed his own, he displayed his own, and they are functioning 247. And when Wiki claims say in form his own in display, but this governors from southeastern part of the country, since yesterday, where they don't form this their thing, where they don't do, where they tell us they don't form their own, the Ebube Ago one, we not see anybody or any picture of their own security outfit when be the Ebube Ago. They not display their picture, they not show us nothing. The only thing when we hear now is say they don't form their own. You know as they play their politics. But the major thing we say, how do you fund this? Who will fund this thing reach from the beginning, reach ending? Not be say you go just establish like Wiki own. We know say that one a fraudulent security outfit. When no go ever last even 6 months. Even this Ndigbo own. You know anything when the governors do, the Ohanes Ndigbo they quickly they back them. Yes, say Ohanes Ndigbo don't back them. Now so back those people they back their own. Now so back and him be their own functioning. You know the Ohanes Ndigbo people. Their own not to just to back. Ohanes Ndigbo back. Ohanes Ndigbo back this. Ohanes Ndigbo back Buhari. Ohanes Ndigbo back that. Ohanes Ndigbo back Peter Obi. Ohanes Ndigbo back the Eastern state. Ohanes Ndigbo back who pose of them. Ohanes Ndigbo back this one, back that one. Now only backing those ones sabi to back people. Now to the situation when they're on ground, whether they form this security outfit for. Then tell us say we get functioning governments led by Ona President Muhammadu Buhari. Now only Nigeria only that country when be Nigeria, when we hear strange things. When we see they know they happen in any part of the world. The government they function as then they claim when the APC people and their PDP cronies. If government they function, things they in place for people, how they go expect state by states to they form their own security outfit when the government already have their own in place? That is the failure of that one Nigeria where would they talk. That is the failure of government where would they talk. That is that bad governance. Una president they abroad they promote people. Now London they say do, but every day they hear say Buhari change this, Buhari appoint this, Buhari appoint that, Buhari appoint that in London, Buhari appoint that in London, he appoint this one in London. Only appointment they appoint people. You know they talk about how to solve the problem of the masses, how to solve the insecurity problem. Nothing like that. So waiting bring about the people begin shout for their own security outfit. Now because see, the government failed to do so. In other words, they don't care about you, about your well-being. They don't care about anybody. Only thing what they care about is their pockets. To get fame and their pockets. That's the only thing when Nigerian government did that for. Because if they care about the citizens, no governor or no state will begin here and say they want set up their own security outfit. The failure of the AK people to guide lives and properties. The failure of the army people to guide lives and properties in Nigeria. Now him bring about different states yearning for their own security outfit because you see the government themselves on top don't fail everybody. They fail from A to Z. 8 years of Buhari na so failure. In fact, that northern man what they call Yankasi, the man what they claim say anybody when they fight for the restoration of any sovereign nation in Nigeria or any sovereign state in Nigeria, say there be irritants. That same man don't come out again today. They claim say, and don't tell them people, say President Muhammadu Buhari cannot solve any single problem and say the man a very lazy man and have no idea of anything at all in that country. And the man still claim, Yanka City still claim say before when the President Muhammadu Buhari himself be military president, then this say at that time he know say Buhari na bunch of failure and very lazy person according to Yankasi. So ladies and gentlemen, the issue today when I get for now, the news when I get for now today now about this owner security outfit when we see owner don't already know now say now because say the government failed to secure lives and properties, failed, you know, Nigerians woefully. That is why state by states begin yen for their own security outfit. For those of you now, when they chant one Nigeria, now one Nigeria we want, now one Nigeria we want. Tell me now, this present one Nigeria we want to get, we want to say it for hand and name I want. The Northerners what they claim say they want unity, they want one Nigeria to continue. With the situation on ground, tell me how you want to continue in this kind of one fake Nigeria. When we say they don't fit solve any single problem. The only thing what they did there to defend themselves every time when they see people they criticize them or they talk about their failure, they will just come out, begin defend themselves that in a way that doesn't make any single sense to nobody. That is why we tell them, see, one Nigeria have already failed. The Babylon has already fallen, and there is nothing any mortal can do about it. So make we take a look on how that they tell us, say, these people, when the southeastern governors, when they claim, say, they don't form their own security outfit. Remember, say, this article, when they bring given na somebody's opinion, na somebody, then they tell Nigerian people, say, see you, and he claims, say, this same person claims, say, eastern governors to deploy military aircraft, made them go, they bomb the whole forest in Biafran land. In other words, to begin to search for ESM people when we say that them, they save the Biafran people. But we never see where anybody, any northerners, they ask the northern governors, made them deploy aircraft, made them go bomb the Sambisa forest and the whole forest when the whole bandit in Nigeria and the whole terrorists in Nigeria, they hide. Remember, see, not be only one bandit where we get, not be 2, not be 3, not be 4, not be 5, not be 6, not be 7, not be 8, not be 9, not be 10. A lot of terrorist organizations, including Al-Qaeda, ISIS, and all whatnot, all of them, the northern part of Nigeria, they wait until their boss will blow the final whistle for ethnic cleansing. And remember, even in the north, they don't do ethnic cleansing like never seen before, including the southeastern part and the southwestern. In fact, all over Nigeria. Amotekun means leopard. See the meaning of Ebubago, the security outfit formed by Igbo governors. Remember, the meaning again are the same thing when Amotekun mean the head of leopard. Now, be the meaning of this, they are Ebube Ago. Ago na the head of leopard, not a lion. The same name. We don't say this eastern governors, these doing nothing governors, all of them are copy. Then they copy just exactly the way when FG, they always copy wrong things. Governor of the southeast of Nigeria have established a regional security outfit called Ebube Ago. The headquarters of the security network will be situated in Enugu State. This is part of their plans to checkmate the rising unrest in the region and attacks on security formation and prison facilities in the region. Remember, see, the issue of this attack of their prison facilities now recently, and then they claim, say, they don't know any unknown gunmen, whereas they know, say, that a monster when all of them create for ground. That is the youth of Nigeria. I mean, a monster when they don't create. They not give them job, they not give them nothing, no opportunity, nothing. So this means, say, no, this time around, we won't revenge the governments. We won't revenge the politicians when they starve them, when put them out from work. And those people, when be the youth of Nigeria, but them be the unknown government. So the government, the APC, the PDP, they know the unknown government as their youths. It is instructive to note that just like Amotekun means leopard in the Yoruba language, Ago also means leopard in Igbo language. The leopard is a totemic animal in Igbo culture. The Isi Ago is symbolic of leopard, not a lion. The governors made this decision after a series of attacks on security agents in Imo, Abia, and Enugu State. The unknown gunmen attacked police headquarters and prisons in Imo State. Many police stations and checkpoints were also attacked by unknown gunmen. Immediate past Inspector General of Police Adamu Mohammed said the unknown gunmen are members of the Eastern Security Network created by the indigenous people of Biafra. The group have since debunked the statements, denying involvement in the violence. The establishment of the security outfit by the governors will put an end to Eastern Security miscreants under Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Amotekun was established by Yoruba governor in 2020 to fight against banditry, kidnapping, and killings in the region. Many Nigerians have argued that the Amotekun's security outfit has not achieved its aim. We hope that the Ebube Ago will achieve its aim in the south east. So now this person, when they yarn, my own personal opinion, now in the yarn, just like the way when Opuzodema they yarn his own yarnness. Anything when anybody they talk now their own opinion. Opuzodema don't talk say in say the Igbo people, according to you, say the Igbo people don't want Biafra. Say now what they want now one Nigeria. That one now. They hope Uzodema and his cronies. I mean their own personal opinion, which how them feel. Hope Uzodema cannot talk for 70 million people. Neither can Hope Uzodema speak for 200 million Nigerian people. Hope Uzodema represents himself, his family, and his pockets. So all those people will not take their matter serious because now their own personal opinion in that they air, just exactly like the writer here. When they claim say, in hope say the Ebube Ago go put the end to Eastern Security Network formed by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now the person opinion be that. So ladies and gentlemen, una don hear say the Igbo governors now they don't form their own security network when they call Ebube Ago, but they don't show us any picture, they don't show us anything, they don't show us any video or whether they train, they don't show us nothing. Now just meeting where we see say then go. Now no say their name na failures. Not be today where we know who these people be. OG Onu Eje, OG Onu Aga, now be their name. People when they use mouth, they waka, they use mouth, they yarn. Only yarn is like the sabi yarn, and at the end of the day, that's the yarning na failure. One love everybody. I say if you like our analysis, give us kudos and come subscribe to Funky D. Funky D. One love everybody, and see you guys next time.